Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. I just wanted to explain further the self-assessment assignment that is due this week in addition to your exam one, just so y'all were very clear on it and had the opportunity to watch a video of me explaining it and a reminder from me to ask any questions that you have about it before you start on it. Please reach out to me via email and ask any questions. I want to make sure that you feel good about your ability to complete this assessment. It's pretty simple. So I think you'll all be just fine with it. But for this assignment, you're going to complete the health risk assessment on yourself, as well as the Rockport 1 mile walk test, which is a way we can assess cardiorespiratory fitness. And then you are going to calculate your estimated VO2 max. So I want you to submit the following items to the Dropbox. The PARQ form, which is in the resources for your self-assessment 2 assignment. I have asked that you use the CAM Scanner app. It does not have to be the CAM Scanner app. Any free scanning app you can find, or the scanner on your computer, or iPhone users, I think there is a way to have a scanner in the notes section. I have not used the notes section. I use the CAM Scanner app. Does not have to be that specific app. The point of it is that I need a PDF file uploaded, not a photo file. So don't print it off, take a picture with your phone and send me a JPEG or a PNG. Make sure it's a PDF. And so there's a lot of scanner apps that can allow you to take the picture and then it cleans up the document so that I can read it. And then you can submit it, converts it to a PDF and you can submit it that way. So it doesn't have to be that one, but that's just one free one that I've used for several years and it's pretty simple. So PARQ, fill it out, submit it as a PDF, health screening questionnaire also attached. Again, does not have to be the CAM Scanner app, but that is a free app that makes it pretty easy to use, but there are lots of them out there, so whichever one you choose is fine. And then you're going to tell me, you're going to use that table 2.2a and 2.2b in your book. They're on page, I've got your book right here. 25, my camera. Page 25, page 26 there. Those tables will tell you, is this a high-risk individual that needs physician clearance before they begin any exercise program? Is this a low-risk individual that can go ahead and begin a vigorous intensity program, or is this more of a moderate risk? Maybe someone who can go ahead and start moderate intensity exercise but needs physician clearance before they start a vigorous intensity exercise program. So use those tables to determine that after filling out your PARQ and health screening questionnaire. And once you have done that, you're ready to do your Rockport 1 mile walk test. So part of this assignment does involve you walking a mile. So try not to wait until Sunday to do it, because if you wait till Sunday night at 9 o'clock, you're not going to want to go out and walk a mile at that time. Unless you just really like the world out there at night. Anyway, so if for some reason it is not safe for you to walk a mile, if you have a health concern or an injury, let me know and I will come up with a solution for you. So everybody should be able to do this assignment. If you have some sort of reason you cannot walk a mile that is a physical health reason, let me know and we will figure something out for you. It'll be fine. So you're going to walk that mile. There are instructions for walking the mile in the resources for this assignment. You're going to walk it as fast as you can for 1 mile, which it's hard to walk a mile as fast as you can. It should feel more comfortable to jog if you are walking as fast as you can. Then once you get done, you will hit stop. You'll start your stopwatch at the beginning. You'll hit stop as soon as you finish that mile, and then you will assess your radial pulse for 15 seconds, multiply by 4, and get your recovery heart rate. You will then plug all of that data into the formula, which is provided for you, and then tell me, what is your VO2 max estimation, and is that excellent, good, average, or does it need a little work? So let's look at your resources here. Okay, you've got your directions. The protocol for the Rockport 1 mile walk test is here. Okay, and the formula is here. The VO2 max norms, this is where you can take the number that you get once you've plugged everything into that formula and tell me if it's, good or average or what. And then your PAR-Q and health screening questionnaires are here. So this formula is a long formula, as you can see, but it's not a complex formula. You just have to make sure you're plugging in the right values. So weight, you notice, is weight in kilograms. So if you weigh yourself in pounds, and it should be a review, you need to go ahead and convert that to kilograms. Your age in years, time to the nearest hundredth of a minute. So if it takes you 16 minutes and 30 seconds to walk a mile, that is 16.5 minutes. Okay, and then your heart rate, which is you'll take your pulse at the very end for 15 seconds, count those pulse beats, multiply that number by 4. That gives you your post-exercise heart rate in beats per minute. All right, so shoot me an email if you have any questions. If you need to meet on Zoom, I'm happy to walk you through it. I'm also always happy to answer any questions via email, but make sure you know the information that you need before you start your self-assessment this week. Don't forget, you've also got exam 1, which if you attended the review, if you studied those topics that I put up, you should do great on it. I feel like y'all are going to do a really good job on exam 1. So let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to hearing from you. Good night.